1992? A. Michael Schumacher, B. Mika Hakkinen, or C. Damon Hill? Good luck.
To enter, call 090 4959 6789. Calls cost £1 from BT Landline. Calls from other networks may be higher, and from mobiles will be considerably more. Or you can text F1 followed by the answer of A, B, or C to 63337. Text also costs £1 plus one standard network rate message. Digital satellite and cable viewers can enter by pressing their red button now. You can enter for free at itv.com until 5 p.m. Friday, 3rd of October. Entrance must be 18 or over. Phone lines close 5 p.m. Tuesday, the 30th of September. And entries made after the closing time won't be counted, but may still be charged.
Good luck with that. The car's yet to go out into the Singapore.
Yeah. I need it for as evidence for the RSPCA.
The biggest impression for me is the fact that they just look a lot easier to drive than any other car out there. And when I've looked at the in-car camera
Put it back on Bruce Lee.
of Hamilton, the work rate between the two of them is considerably different. And that's really going to take its toll over a race distance. Steve. I can assure you, when these guys get out the end of the distance, they are going to be very tired indeed. How much of a racing line is developing out there? How much has the track evolved during the course of the last couple of days? I mean, it does evolve, and there's more rubber going down to brand new surface, obviously. But the other thing with a street course, it's like driving in the rain to some extent. You're constantly trying to find the optimum line.